Hello everyone, in today's 1 minute wisdom, I'll be sharing with you the secret of getting good at work. So let's jump right into it. Cal Newport, who has completed his PhD from MIT and now is an assistant professor at Georgetown University, says that there are two types of work. First, deep work, and second, shallow work. Deep work means getting completely involved into your world of work by ignoring all distractions. And shallow work means responding to emails, push notifications or anything else while working. Cal says most of the people do shallow work nowadays, and skill of deep working is getting rare day by day. Whoever masters the skill of deep work, he will be the master of his field. So let's get straight to the point now. How to do deep work? To master deep work, you will need to do 4 things. First, single tasking. Second, zero distractions. Third, intense focus. Fourth, extended periods of time. Basically, you need to do your work without doing multitasking, without responding to emails, notifications and stuff, with intense focus and for extended periods of time. Now that you know the secret of getting good at work, I hope you will apply in your work too. I hope this video helped you in some or the other way. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.